Playtime! Toddlers TV!
Hello, kids! Welcome back to our channel.
Today, we are going to play a guessing game.
You will see pictures of household items.
Try to guess the item in 5 seconds before the answer appears.
Are you ready to play?
Let's go!
Let's start with easy level. Look at the picture and guess this item.
Yes, it's a chair.
Can you guess what this household item is?
Correct, this is a table.
Look carefully and tell me what this is.
Great job, you guessed bed.
Can you name this item we sit on?
Amazing, it's a sofa.
Guess the item that opens and closes.
Well done, this is a door.
Can you guess the item we see outside from?
Nice work, it's a window.
Guess the item that gives us cool air.
Super, you guessed fan.
Can you guess what makes the room bright?
Excellent, this is a light.
Guess the item that shows us the time.
Smart answer, it's a clock.
Can you guess the item we watch shows on?
Fantastic, this is a television.
Guess the small item that changes channels.
Good guessing, it's a remote.
Can you guess the item we use to call?
Perfect, you guessed phone.
Guess the item we read stories from.
Lovely, this is a book.
Can you guess the item we write with?
Very good, it's a pencil.
Guess the item we write with ink.
Awesome, you guessed pen.
Can you guess the item that removes mistakes?
Nice try, this is an eraser.
Guess the colorful items we use for drawing.
So good, they are crayons.
Can you guess the item we carry to school?
Great guessing, this is a school bag.
Guess the item we drink water from.
Well played, it's a water bottle.
Can you guess the small item we drink from?
Good job, this is a cup.
Guess the item we eat food on.
Nicely done, it's a plate.
Can you guess the item we eat with?
You got it, this is a spoon.
Guess the item that holds food inside.
Correct answer, it's a bowl.
Can you guess what we wear on our feet?
Fantastic work, these are shoes.
Guess the item we wear with shoes.
Super smart, they are socks.
Can you guess what we use to dry our body?
Excellent guess, it's a towel.
Guess the item we use to wash our hands.
Good thinking. This is soap.
Can you guess what we use to clean teeth?
Nice answer. This is a toothbrush.
Guess the item we use with a toothbrush.
Brilliant. It's toothpaste.
Can you guess the item that shows our face?
Amazing work. This is a mirror.
Now, with medium level.
Can you guess the item that keeps food cold?
Yes, it's a refrigerator.
Guess the item we use to cook food.
Correct. This is a stove.
Can you guess the machine that heats food fast?
Microwave.
Guess the place where we wash dishes.
Amazing! It's a sink.
Can you guess where water comes from?
Well done. This is a tap.
Guess the item where we throw waste.
Nice work. It's a trash can.
Can you guess the item used for sweeping?
Super. You guessed broom.
Guess the item used to clean the floor.
Excellent. This is a mop.
Can you guess the item that holds water?
Smart answer. It's a bucket.
Guess the machine that washes clothes.
Fantastic. This is a washing machine.
Can you guess what removes wrinkles from clothes?
Good guessing. It's an iron.
Guess the item used to hang clothes.
Perfect. You guessed clothes hanger.
Can you guess what we rest our head on?
Lovely. This is a pillow.
Guess the item that keeps us warm while sleeping.
Very good. It's a blanket.
Can you guess what covers the window?
Awesome. You guessed curtain.
Guess the item spread on the floor.
Nice try. This is a carpet.
Can you guess the soft item on the sofa?
So good. It's a cushion.
Guess the item that gives light on a table.
Great guessing. This is a lamp.
Can you guess what turns lights on and off?
Well played. It's a switch. If you're enjoying this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.
Guess the item that gives power to devices.
Good job. This is a power plug.
Can you guess the machine used for work and games?
Nicely done. It's a computer.
Guess the item with many keys to type.
You got it. This is a keyboard.
Can you guess the small device used with a computer?
Correct answer. It's a mouse.
Guess the item that plays sound loudly.
Fantastic work. These are speakers.
Can you guess what we wear to hear music?
Super smart. They are headphones.
Guess the item that shows days and months.
Excellent guess. It's a calendar.
Can you guess the item that holds photos?
Good thinking. This is a picture frame.
Guess the bag we carry on our back.
Nice answer. It's a backpack.
Can you guess what carries food to school?
Brilliant. This is a lunchbox.
Guess the item we use when it rains.
Amazing work. It's an umbrella. Coming up, hard level.
Can you guess the item used to boil water?
Yes, it's a kettle.
Guess the machine that bakes food.
Correct. This is an oven.
Can you guess the machine that washes dishes?
Great job. You guessed dishwasher.
Guess the item that gives power to many plugs.
Amazing. It's an extension cord.
Can you guess what rings at the door?
Well done. This is a doorbell.
Guess the item that wakes us up.
Nice work. It's an alarm clock.
Can you guess where toys are kept?
Super. You guessed toy box.
Guess the game with many pieces to join.
Excellent. This is a puzzle.
Can you guess the toys used to build shapes?
Smart answer. They are building blocks.
Guess the toy that looks like a baby.
Fantastic. It's a doll.
Can you guess the soft toy we hug?
Good guessing. This is a teddy bear.
Guess the toy that looks like a car.
Perfect. You guessed toy car.
Can you guess what we use to comb hair?
Lovely. It's a hair comb.
Guess the item used to brush hair.
Nice. This is a hairbrush.
Can you guess what we use to wash hair?
Awesome. You guessed shampoo.
Guess the item found in the bathroom.
Nice try. This is a toilet.
Can you guess the paper used in the bathroom?
So good. It's toilet paper.
Guess the place where we take a bath.
Great guessing. This is a shower.
Can you guess the tub used for bathing?
Well played. It's a bathtub.
Guess the footwear we wear at home.
Good job. These are slippers.
Can you guess what we wear in cold weather?
Nicely done. It's a jacket.
Guess the item we wear on our head.
You got it. This is a cap.
Can you guess what opens locks?
Correct answer. These are keys.
Guess the item that keeps things safe.
Fantastic work. This is a lock.
Can you guess what holds money?
Super smart. It's a wallet.
Guess a small bag used to carry things.
Excellent guess. This is a purse.
Can you guess what we use to cut paper?
Good thinking. These are scissors.
Guess the machine that makes rooms cool.
Nice answer. It's an air conditioner.
Can you guess the board used for ironing clothes?
Brilliant. This is an ironing board.
Guess the box used to store things.
Amazing work. It's a storage box.
Can you guess the book used for writing?
Yes, this is a notebook.
Guess the item that sharpens pencils.
Correct. It's a sharpener.
Can you guess the tool used in the kitchen?
Great job. This is a knife.
Guess the item we use to eat food.
Well done. It's a fork.
Guess the cup with a handle.
Nice work. This is a mug.
Guess the item we drink water from.
Super. It's a glass.
Guess what cleans dirty dishes.
Excellent. This is dish soap.
Guess the soft item used for cleaning.
Smart answer. It's a sponge.
Can you guess where shoes are kept?
Fantastic. This is a shoe rack.
Guess the place where clothes are stored.
Awesome work. It's a wardrobe.
Great job, little kids.
You did an amazing job guessing the items.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.
See you next time.
Till then, toodles!